Welcome back. Bahujan Samaj Party chief Mayawati said she is divesting her nephew Akash Anand of his responsibilities as the party's national coordinator and her successor. Announcing it on X, the former UP chief minister said she has taken the decision in the interest of the party and the movement until the time Anand gains full maturity. She said her brother and Akash's father Anand Kumar will continue to fulfill his responsibilities as before. The surprise decision comes on the day voting was held for the third phase of the Lok Sabha polls in the country. And Times Now, in fact, has accessed some possible reasons for sacking Akash Anand that might have played a role, such as being vocal against different parties, including Chandrasekhar Azad. Akash remains aggressive in his speeches. These are some of the reasons that could have been taken into consideration while taking the decision. We have some breaking inputs coming in as well. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has used this against the Congress. As Mayawati sacks nephew, BJP reminds Sonia Gandhi, takes a jibe on Sonia. As Mayawati sacks nephew Akash for political immaturity, BJP says, when will Sonia Gandhi do the same? In fact, BJP leader Mr. Bel Santosh says there's huge pressure building on Sonia Gandhi. We have Ankit and Adeep joining us with more details. Let's first go across to Ankit. Ankit, BJP, of course, not letting go of this opportunity to take a jibe at the Congress.
Yes, a fresh angle from the BJP. Political immaturity seems to have caught the BJP's eye insofar as Akash Anand is concerned. And so BJP General Secretary Organization BL Santosh asks, huge pressure builds up on Congress and Sonia Gandhi. Interesting times ahead. Political immaturity with Rahul Gandhi now being put together, and also dynasty politics. So that overall seems to be the framework of the attack.
All right, Ankit, thank you for getting us the details. Let's bring in Adeep now. Adeep, you can take us through the possible reasons now, one of which is aggressive speeches and targeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, definitely, Swati, since Akash Anand was made the national coordinator of BSP and successor of Mayawati, he was very aggressive in his speech, in the way, the kind of language he was using against BJP and all the opposition parties of BSP. He was very vocal about the political parties. We saw how he was using remarks against Chandrasekhar Azad in Nagina Lok Sabha constituency, and then in Sitapur he gave a hate speech against BJP. He used words like terror outfit for the BJP, after which he was booked by Sitapur police for violating the model code of conduct. After he was booked by Sitapur police, in fact, BSP grounded him. All the political rallies of Akash Anand that was scheduled for the next week were also cancelled by the party. And late last night, Mayawati announced that she's removing Akash as her national coordinator and her successor until unless he gains some political maturity.
Right, absolutely. That is being cited as one of the reasons, although Mayawati calls it political immaturity and says that the nephew will gain those responsibility perhaps at a later stage. As of now, political immaturity has been cited as a reason. Adeep, she also says that his father will continue to fulfill the duties as has been the practice. Okay, we have a reaction coming in from Surendra Rajput on this. Let's listen in.
या सुश्री मायावती जी किसको किस पद पर रखती हैं, किसको कद पर रखती हैं, ये उनका निजी और आंतरिक मामला है। लेकिन एक चीज तय है कि जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने श्री आकाश आनंद जी को कोऑर्डिनेटर के पद से हटाया है और एक शब्द इस्तेमाल किया है मैच्योरिटी, तो उस पर मायावती जी के निर्णयों पर गंभीर प्रश्न खड़े होते हैं। अगर वो मैच्योर थे तो उन्हें बनाया क्यों था? जब वो जमीन पर भाषण देने लगे, जब वो बहुजन समाज के साथ काम करने लगे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ काम करने लगे, तभी आपने उनको पद से हटा दिया। तो ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं जिस तरीके से टिकट चेंज कर रही हैं मायावती जी और अब आकाश आनंद जी को हटाया है, तो भाजपा से मिली भगत स्पष्ट परिलक्षित हो रही है। अगर आपको
So the Congress party, in fact, is taking a jibe at Mayawati, saying this may be an internal matter of the party, but this clearly indicates some sort of a deal or an arrangement between the BSP and the BJP. That reaction coming in from the Congress, where Surendra Rajput says it's an internal matter and Mayawati is free to take such decisions. But this, in fact, puts a big question mark on the decision of making him the national coordinator if he was politically immature. We also have a reaction coming in from the Samajwadi Party. Listen in.
देखिए, ये किसी भी राजनीतिक दल का फैसला होता है कि किसको पदाधिकारी बनाना है या हटाना है। इस पे समाजवादी पार्टी को कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करनी है। लेकिन वो आकाश आनंद जो बसपा के उत्तराधिकारी थे, वो आकाश आनंद जो लगातार भाजपा से सवाल पूछ रहे थे, वो सवाल भाजपा को चुभ रहे थे। उन आकाश आनंद को आदरणीय मायावती जी ने सभी पदों से मुक्त करने का काम किया। मायावती जी ने टिकट दिए, टिकट बदले, उस पर कहीं ना कहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रभाव नजर आता है। इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी लगातार ये सवाल उठा रही है कि भाजपा और बसपा का आघोषित गठबंधन है। बसपा को मान्यवर काशीराम जी के बताए हुए रास्ते से भटक चुकी है। इसलिए जनता बहुत आस और उम्मीद के साथ समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ देख रही है।
With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.